Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn list. Lists are of two types, ordered list and unordered list. Unordered list we are not using any unordered list in anywhere, so we are just using the list. So let's start with the list section. First of all, this is jewel. Okay. After that there should be in li. Okay, and there should be multiple li's like list type. There is a there is a description over there, and see, I will add this one. Sorry, this one. So this is the list. If you're going to add and operate this one, see, list, the 1 2 3 4 5, this is dots. You can change the dots also by using the implementing the basic css over there. List style, you can style list type also. This one Arabic, this, you can add any of, if you want to full one. So let's go to the ul, put the this one ul li list type, all Arabic, this nation Bengali circle. If you want, if you want this one, if you want this one, you can add any for do the formatting with this style lists. Okay, abcd 1 2 3, lower Greek symbols, Telugu, whatever you want to add, you can add with this stylings. And this is the list. If you want, you want to create the list, you can use this one ul and li. You can get the list sections of that. And major, anything that we have skipped, I think we have covered most of the tags. Let's do the formats tag also. We have some formatting tags also, but you can add this formatting tags using the css also. Okay, so let's do the some basic formatting of the text. If you want, let's go to that. If I write something like bold, this is bold tag. Bold, I just don't have the opening tags. So if you want to add something text in paragraph, if I add something paragraph, and like this one, this I have written, and I want this particular text to be in bold, and this should be in bold. I have closed this one tag. Let's see what is checking this one. See, this only text gets bold. If you want this text to be underlined, if you want to use u underlined, it is underlined. If you want to italicize, then put I, italic. This is italic. So these are the formatting tools. There are also more, that is strike also is there. If you want to, like, if you write, so let's do the strike part also. I think it should be in this part, I guess. Let's put strik. Strike type is, I think it's there or not. Let's check, because I haven't used this strike tag. Yeah, this is there. Strike means, like, if you want to, like, this is done, this is marked, you can use this strike tag for this one part also. I think we have covered everything on that part. Okay, in next video let's see what we have gonna to share with you. And if you want to create the pages or something bootstrap, we are going to use in the next video. We are talking about this all. These are the basic HTML elements, formatting tag, and everything is done, I think. So next video let's see what we are going to do it. Thank you for watching this video.